Shalom, peace and blessings, everyone. Welcome to Generation Impact for Yeshua. I'm Brother Chuka. Today we're going to be reading from Deuteronomy 8, verse 3, 7 to 10, and also reading Matthew 5 and 6, and also John 4, verse 14. All right. So let me read from here. So Deuteronomy chapter 8, verse 3, it says, "And he humbled you and let you suffer hunger, and fed you with manna, which you did not know, nor did your fathers know, to make you know that man does not live by bread alone, but by every word that comes from the mouth of Yahweh." Verse 7, "For Yahweh your Elohim is bringing you into a good land, a land of streams, of water, of fountains and springs that flow out of valleys and hills, a land of wheat and barley, of vines and fig trees, and pomegranates, a land of olive oil and honey, a land in which you eat bread without scarcity, in which you do not lack at all, a land whose stones are iron, and out of whose hills you dig copper. And you shall eat and be satisfied, and shall bless Yahweh Elohim for good land which he has given you." Hallelujah. So this is Moses recapping what the Most High has done for the children of Israel as he took them out of Egypt, out of slavery, for being there for over 430 years in Egypt, building the pyramid, the Sphinx, and